We all know squirrels love acorns. Did you know humans can eat them too? Seriously, I'm gonna turn some acorns into pizza. Learn more squirrel stuff on the new season of Terrestrials, podcast from Radiolab.
I got a lot of work ahead of me. This tree looks okay to me. I need to do a little grocery shopping. Big juicy ones, look at those. I think maybe I went overboard. If they float, it means a worm got into them or something. No good. Yuck. Uh-oh, looks like we got some floaters. Let's get nutty. Ooh, look what's inside. Acorns have a lot of tannins in them, which is a compound that is like really bitter tasting. So what we're gonna do now is take this, put it in the blender so that all the tannins can leach out of it into water. Looks good. It's gonna take days of changing this water out so that fresh water can pull out more of the tannins.
Let this sit for another 10 hours and then do the same thing again.
It's time to drain and strain this stuff. So I spread this out nice and thin on the baking pan. It's nice and dry now. But I want a real fine grind. One step closer to pizza. First things first, the pizza dough.
There are tons of recipes from around the world for acorns, including North America, where some tribes once relied on abundant acorns for over half of their annual calories.
Whoa, pizza. Here it is. It's actually really good. And it adds a nutty earthiness to pizza that I've never really experienced before. I'm gonna eat too much and not share with anyone. Oh, this one's still got its little hat on.